Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on Telegram. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're using a Telegram application on your desktop, whether you download from the Microsoft App Store or search for the installer using your web browser, when you install the Telegram desktop application, you will be asked to log back into your account using your QR code. Tap on the Start Messaging option and you will be shown the QR code that you will need to scan in order to log into your account. In order to scan this QR code, you will need to use the Telegram application within your phone. So open up the Telegram application on your smartphone within which you already have access to your account. And now from the home page, you can tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Devices, and now you will see the option to link your desktop device. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to scan this QR code. Just go ahead and scan this QR code, and as soon as you scan this code, you will be logged into your account on Telegram. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to scan a QR code on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.